Welcome back mga kabarangay, dito po sa ating PSTV Plus YouTube channel. Ako po inyong kaibigan sa Papawid, ng inyong Direk Rene, inyong Kuya Rene, welcoming you to another wonderful edition ng ating podcast. Kung kayo po ay hindi pa sumunod, hindi pa nag-subscribe, like, share, and subscribe dito po sa ating PSTV Plus YouTube channel, ngayon na po yung pagkakataon. Dahil tayo po ay nagbibigay po tayo ng kompleto, positibo, magagandang informasyon dito po sa ating PSTV Plus YouTube channel. Itong segment po natin ay tinatawag po natin Barangay New Zealand. At syempre dahil Barangay New Zealand, syempre mga taga New Zealand din ang ating i-feature ngayon sa araw na to, no? Siya po ay galing Tubong, Mexico. Mexico, Pampanga, hindi Mexico, Mexico, Pampanga. At nung nakita ko pa lang yung family name niya, sabi ko siguro taga Pampanga ito. And off the air, pinag-usapan niya namin. So taga Mexico, Pampanga, lumipad ng Aotearoa, New Zealand, at napunta po sa Christchurch. Alamin natin ang kwento ng ating makakapanayam, si Aisha Yalung. Aisha! Okay, teka. Ayan si Aisha. Hi Aisha, kumusta?
Hello po, good lang po.
Okay ka lang na parang malungkot ka na ha? Hindi ka naman malungkot.
Hindi naman po.
Pagod ka ba? Pagod? Ha?
From my studies, just been really busy po.
Oo, kasi si Aisha ba ang tawag sa'yo? Aisha o Aisha?
Ayesha po.
Ayesha. Si Ayesha po ay isang Year 12 student dyan po sa Christchurch. At yung Year 12 parang yung juniors, no? Kasi seniors ang Year 13. Bukas mag-uumpisa ng kanilang external exams. Kaya sabi ko, humingi ako ng paumanhin kay Ayesha na yung gawin natin itong podcast. Anong nickname mo? How do people call you?
Either Yesh po or Yesha.
Yesha. Okay, yes or Yesha. Okay, Yesha, kwento ka nga kung taga saan kayo sa Pilipinas?
Ako po, I'm from Mexico, Pampanga. Pero my dad po is from Bacolor. And yung mom ko po from Angeles City.
So pareho talaga. Bacolor, Pampanga din yun, ano? O Bacolor, Cavite ba yun? Pampanga rin. Oo, so okay. So talagang Tubong Pampanga. Marunong ka pa magsalita ng Kapampangan?
Nakakaintindi lang po ako. Pero
because sabi nga ni Yesha ay she was 9 years old ka nung dumating ka dito, no? Dito sa New Zealand, oo. At nung dumating ka sa New Zealand, diretso na kayo dyan sa Christchurch, o oh, okay. So, how is it so far? Gusto mo naman dyan? Masaya naman?
Yes po, it's a really nice environment.
Hindi mo ba nami-miss ang Mexico, Pampanga?
Nami-miss ko din po sometimes.
Kailan ka huling umuwi?
Mga 2 years ago po ata.
So ano nami-miss mo sa back home?
My family, of course. The environment in general, and the food po. The food that I can buy.
Yung mga syempre sa Pampanga, di ba, masasarap magluto, masarap yung mga pagkain. Siguro sarap ng luto ni Mami. Ha?
Yes.
O sino ba nagluluto? Si Mom or si Dad?
Mostly si Mami po, pero marunong din po magluto si Daddy.
Ayun. Anong pinaka-paborito mong yung Kapampangan dish? Meron ka ba? Meron ka bang favorite?
I feel like I like everything po. I don't have anything favorite in particular.
Walang favorite in particular. Pareho pala tayo, Yesha. Ako may seafood diet ako . Seafood. No? Yung when I see food, yun, kakainin ko yung kahit yung seafood diet, okay sa akin. Malakas ako kumain yung I experiment ba, yung parang ganun, Ikaw ba marunong magluto, Yesha?
Not as good as my parents po, pero hopefully going into that path po.
Okay, that's good, good, good. Are you the eldest or the youngest, Isha?
I'm the second born po.
Ilan kayong magkakapatid?
Apat po kami.
Oh, wow. And so you are now in year 12, no? So next year babalik ka pa to go to year 13. Ano ba ang plano mo when you finish high school? What do you want to do?
I plan on going to Auckland University po to pursue being a dermatologist.
Oh, you want to be a dermatologist. Oh, di magkikita tayo dito ha. Pag-akit ka pala sa Auckland eh.
Yes.
Wala bang school in University of Canterbury o ibang school hindi nag-o-offer ng dermatology diyan sa ano?
UC po, wala po. Pero right now, they're building a extension for Otago here in Christchurch. Pero I'm not too sure if I want to lean onto Otago po.
Okay. So you're keen on focusing to dermatology talaga yung iyong ano, yung iyong gusto.
Yes po.
Bakit dermatology? Ikaw na yung ano, ang Vicky Bello ng New Zealand na ano, parang gano'n, no? Bakit dermatology?
From a very young age po, I always knew that I wanted to do something in health. Pero I'm a bit weak po when it comes to surgery and blood. So I crossed off being a surgeon. At the start po, I wanted to be a pediatrician. But
Mhm.
over the past few years, I kind of changed wanting to be a dermatologist. Not only because I want to do the prescribing myself, but I also want to own my own clinic po in the future.
Nice. Oo, that's very good. Dito sa Auckland, sino ba? Si Keza, si Joyce. May dalawa, tatlong dermatologist na tayo dito, no? And it will be very good. It's a good career and for you, yun yung passion mo. And, you know, ako kagaya ko, gusto ko kasi nung time ko, nursing ang ano, yung kalahati ng high school batch ko, puro naging nurse kami. O sila, no? Pati mga lalaki. Eh ako, takot ako sa dugo eh. Kaya hindi ako naging nurse, no? But it's serving. So what you're planning is dermatology dito sa University of Auckland. How many years ba ang dermatology course dito sa New Zealand? Do you have any idea?
I think around 6 years or more po. But
Ah,
all I know is just it's very long.
parang medicine din pala, no? Parang gano'n, oo. Well, that's good. That means ano tayo, one of these days pag nandito ka na sa Auckland, I'm pretty sure magkikita tayo, magkape tayo at kung ano man yung ating ano pwedeng gawin, no? So, ano mga paborito mong subject ngayon? Kasi 'di ba pag high school ka, yung mga kinukuha mo lalo na sa year 11, 12, 13 is aligned to sa mga credits na yung papasukan mo whether sa health, sa engineering or ano. Ano yung mga subjects mo ngayon, Isha?
I currently take physics, chemistry, calculus, art history, extension English, and just study.
And ano yung last?
Study po. It's not really a subject.
Oh, okay. So yung mostly sciences nga talaga, tsaka maths, no? I'm sure you'll be excelling in all of these subjects, and siguro si mom and dad again will go up on stage for prize giving at marami pa ibang mga okasyon, no? Now,
Yes.
may sports ka ba, Aisha? Are you the sporty type of a person or ano ka lang, yung nerdy, yung ano, may sports ka ba?
I actually enjoy doing sports din po. I used to love doing volleyball, but right now my main sport is doing hockey, field hockey po.
Field hockey. Wow.
Yes.
Oh, are you part of the team of your college in field hockey?
I used to be part of my school team po, but because of dance, it was hard to manage both at the same time.
So you're also into dancing. So yung
Yes.
dance outside school or dance kasi 'di ba sa atin dito sa New Zealand may dance na klase. So ano yung dancing mo? Outside school or in school?
Both po.
Oh. So, are you, kasi alam ko dyan sa Christchurch, kilala ko si Jobel ng Euphoria
Oh,
Studio.
yes.
At, oo, are you part of that group, yung Euphoria, yung
No
studio?
po. No po.
But you do dance classes, no? Meron kang mga ano, yung mga class. So, anong klaseng dance ang yung focus sa Yisha?
I can do almost all kind of dances po, pero right now my main focus is cultural and hip-hop.
Cultural, hip-hop, talagang magkaiba. Isang cultural, isang hip-hop. Tapos, siyempre, was that the talent that you presented when you did the talent portion ng Miss Philippines New Zealand?
Yes po, I dance a cultural dance po.
Anong sayaw yun? Anong sayaw? Tinikling ba? Or, ha?
Asik. It's a traditional Muslim dance po.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Gusto ko yun. Kasi I'm from Zamboanga, no? I'm part Muslim. So, I appreciate yung the sharing of our culture, no? So, ngayon, tanong kita, bakit ka sumali sa pageant sa Miss Philippines New Zealand? Or ito ba yung unang pageant? Or may mga dati ka nang sinalihan na pageant, Aisha?
This is my first official pageant po, pero when I was younger, I used to join those small school pageants po, but that was like when I was really young. Yes.
So ito yung pinaka-official, so this is your coming out, joining this, and you're representing Christchurch. Bakit ba't ngayon? Ba't naisip mo ngayon sasali, hindi next year, hindi last year, pero itong year, you decided to join in the pageantry?
Because I'm actually part of the PCMST dance troupe po, and Tita Delia asked me if I wanted to join Miss Philippines. And since I did want to kind of try out pageant again this year, actually last year, and when I was given the opportunity, I decided to take it, no matter how new it was for me.
Oh, wow, very good answer. So si Tita Del pala ang iyong ang sa the sponsoring organization, no? At yeah, kaya yun, as you're saying, gawin ko na kaya ngayon instead of next year pa. And so true enough, you joined the pageantry. I'm sure it took a lot of yung ang daming preparation, ang daming kung ano-anong kailangan gawin. And then you emerge as the Miss Philippines New Zealand 2025. Ano yung pakiramdam mo nung, di ba, paano ba yung ginagawa nila? Last, dalawa na lang kayo, di ba? Parang ganun ba yun? So,
Yes,
dalawa na lang kayo. Di ba parang sa mga pageant, hawakan ng kamay, parang ganun. Tapos nung tinawag ka, yung parang did it sink in right away? Parang, ako ba yun? Parang, kasi syempre, maingay yung mga tao, di ba? Sumisigaw ganun. Paano yung Aisha? How was it?
Honestly po, when they announced that it was me, I felt so overwhelmed with happiness. And then I felt so excited to be able to embrace my family and my friends po straight after. It didn't sink in on me until like after a few days. All I knew was I was very happy in the moment.
Oo. So siguro ang tawag nun, matinding yakap ang ginawa nyo, no? Do you have a younger sister? Meron ka bang kapatid na babae mas bata sa'yo?
Yes po. Yes po.
So, ano yung niya? Yung syempre, naku, si ate yun, parang gano'n, di ba? Idol, parang gano'n. How was it? How was your baby sister? Paano yung niya, yung reaction niya?
According to my dad po, she actually cried when I won. So she was very happy for me po. And then afterwards, I could tell that she was really happy to witness me win, and she loves wearing my crown. Whenever she enters my room po, she gets to wear my crown. And after I return this crown and get a replacement, I am planning on giving that crown to her po.
Wow, you're very close siguro, no? How old is your younger sister?
8 years old po.
Uy, wow. Parang almost 9, 8 years gap kayo, no? What's her name? What's the name of your younger sister?
Amber po.
Amber. So, halimbawa, ng panahon, si Amber would like to, gusto kong ano, yung ginawa ni ate, gusto ko rin gawin. What would be your advice to Amber pag ganun, pagdating ng time na yun?
Probably to not fear it too much po, because I think one thing that really helped me the most is trying my best to not get too nervous or to not get too scared, but to replace it with excitement and happiness. And with that, that helped me become more confident. So hopefully, by also using those techniques, it will also help her be more confident and project how she wants to be on stage po.
You know, siya, yung the way you napaka-articulate mo, no? Yung the way you carry yourself, you speak, di ba, yung thoughts na ano, I really like it. I appreciate it, no? Talagang, kasi minsan mga young kids ngayon, I mean, hindi naman nila problema yun, no? Ano pa sila, yung parang hindi pa unsure, yung mga ganun, but in the way I feel and the way you answer, no? I suppose dun sa mga question and answer portion, you did very well, no? Palagay ko dahil yung sa confidence na yan, ano? Aisha, nandyan sa tabi mo yung crown. Patingin nga, pakita nga natin sa ating mga viewers yung crown. It's a massive crown, ha? Talagang crown. Ang laki. Ang laki ng crown. Tapos, also you're saying, yan yung parang pinapasa nila pag yung mga nananalo, and then they will replace it with a smaller one, yung para sa'yo talaga.
Yes po.
Okay, so, nung di ba ano yun, Sabado, Linggo, di ba, Lunes, holiday. Pero siyempre, kumalat na sa Christchurch, uy, nanalo siya. Nung pumasok ka Tuesday ba, pumasok ka na sa school o hindi pa?
Yes po, pumasok na po ako.
Okay, so pumasok ka na sa school mo. Alam nila na nanalo ka. Siyempre, your close friends siguro, alam nila. So ano yung reaction ng mga iba pang mga kaklase mo, yung mga hindi Pilipino na now you're Miss Philippines New Zealand 2025. Ano yung reaction nila, Isha?
Everyone was really happy for me po. Even though I wasn't close with a lot of many people, they still managed to find out through people's stories po, and then everyone was congratulating me. My teachers also found out po, and then they were very happy, and they actually wanted to watch videos, clips that I had, so I showed them po.
Okay, and then you told me off air na you have a Filipino. There are maybe other Filipino teachers, but you only know of one who teaches. Ano nga yung tinuturo niya?
Food technology po.
Food technology. Was she ever your teacher in your previous years? Naging teacher mo ba siya?
Yes po, in year 9 po.
Year 9, food tech. Oo. Tapos marami bang Filipino students sa high school mo? Sa Burnside, right? Burnside, is it?
Yes po, Burnside High School.
Burnside High School. Marami bang Filipinos in your college, in your high school?
I think so. I believe so po. There's quite a lot of us, but we're just kind of spread out around the school po.
Wala kayong Filipino club or you celebrate Independence Day, Linggo ng Wika, yung mga ganun. Wala kayong ganun sa high school?
Wala po kami, pero next year I plan on taking on a leadership role on creating a club just for us Filipinos so we can spread our culture in our school.
Very good. Oo, ang galing. So you have applied to be a prefect, diba? I'm sure. Diba yung prefect, yun yung mga leaders, no? Doon manggagaling yung head girl, yung is Burnside co-ed ba yan or puro girls lang?
Co-ed po.
Co-ed, oo. So that's very good, Aisha, no? To share. Actually, yung mga ginagawa ng ibang mga estudyante sa iba-ibang mga eskwelahan is to share the culture. Kasi yung iba hindi nakakaintindi. So we share it through music, through food, di ba, yung mga ganon, no? Kasi as I told you, I'm also a high school teacher. So yun din ang focus ng mga ako lang ang teacher na Pilipino sa school namin. So focus namin. Dalawa pala kami, no? So focus yun, ano? Dito kasi sa Auckland, we have what is known as the Polyfest, no? So ito yung Polynesian Festival. Pero open din to, meron din yung diversity stage kung saan iba-ibang cultures nandoon. So for the past 2 years, our college has been joining the Polyfest. Meron bang parang ganyan dyan sa Christchurch, Aisha?
Yes po. Yes po. We have our own Polyfest din po, but we don't have as much different cultures that performs. But I believe so this year there were 1 or 2 different culture that performed. But I'm a bit unsure po.
Okay, yeah, good. I'm so happy na napaka the way you speak, the way you carry yourself. So I think part of the prize of winning the Miss Philippines New Zealand is you get to fly to the Philippines for free, di ba? Parang
Yes.
ganon, no? So
Yes.
when are you planning to do that? When are you planning to go home?
I plan on going January po, start of next year.
So habang yung holidays. Naku, parang parang pagdating mo sa Mexico, Pampanga, may banda, may kung ano-anong masasalubong sa'yo, di ba? Kasi, well, Pampanga is well known for beauties, di ba? Yung mga nananalo, and here's young from Aotearoa, New Zealand, si Aisha. Will you be going home, ikaw lang, mom and dad, or the whole family?
I plan on going home with just my mom po.
Ay, wow, oo, talagang So, enjoy mo yung yung time na yon, and also of course coming back. So you'll stay there siguro mga few weeks kasi kailangan mo nang bumalik na mga late January, di ba? Magbubukas na tayo, no? For
Yes po.
For your year 13. Are you excited na magiging senior ka na?
I'm very excited to experience what being a year 13 is like, but at the same time, I do have some nerves because it's just one more step until university, but I believe that I can manage through.
Excuse me lang, Aisha.
It's okay.
Anyway, naka-record tayo. Kaya nga, kasi dapat noon pa tayo, kaya lang, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, sa lalamunan ko, yung mga, alam mo na matanda na yung kuya rin mo, kaya ganon. So, Aisha, ano ang iyong advice sa mga kabataan, no? Na nag-aaral pa? So, what would be your advice to kids as your age or even young?
My biggest advice would be to not be shy and take as much opportunities that you can, because the more opportunities you take and the more you voice out and the more things that you join, the better chances that you can get into things, especially for your future. And I think that joining those type of clubs or groups is a great way to make new friends, make new connections, which could also lead to like bigger things. So I really believe that joining more things, it will help a lot in the future po.
Very well said, Aisha. Experiencing, no? As you said, you get out of your comfort zone. So that's very, very good. Who would you like to thank for this journey sa pageant? So sino gusto mong pasalamatan?
I would like to thank many people, but first of all, my family, because all throughout my whole journey, they were very supportive of me. My dad was a bit unsure of me joining, but because he knew that I really wanted to, he allowed me and supported me all throughout. My mom, she was my biggest supporter. She was always there by my side. And of course, PCMST, Tita Delia, who also supported me throughout my whole journey. And of course, my friends, my dancer friends, well, actually, all throughout the journey in my pageant, they were there to comfort me, support me, and help me get through it. So I'm really grateful for all of them po.
Thank you so much, Aisha. And so, I think bago tayo magkita dito sa Auckland, magkikita tayo sa Wellington next year during Labor Weekend. Kasi medyo malapit-lapit sa akin, so I'll be going. And you'll be, di ba, syempre, you'll be walking the final walk, di ba, yung mga ganon. No?
Yes po.
Kasi nung 2008 and 2011, when I was living in Hamilton, I got involved with the cultural and pageant, yung nights, no, yung Saturday and Sunday. I was the director for for the event. And then so 2 taon kami noon, 2008 and 2011. Dapat Christchurch yun noong 2011, but because of the earthquake noong February 2011, so sinalo namin ng Hamilton. But now it's good that it happened in Christchurch. I've been there 2 or 3 times. So napaka gandang lugar, as you were saying, no? Ang ganda. And then it's vibrant and so many other things. And they have produced the reigning Miss Philippines New Zealand 2025, si Aisha Yalo.
Yes.
Ayesha Yalo. Kasi yung may co-teacher ako, taga-Pakistan eh. Aisha, ay ganun talaga yung spellings. Pero Aisha naman siya, Aisha. So ikaw ay Ayesha.
Yes po.
Do you know saan kinuha ng parents mo yung ano? Itong your first name?
I'm a bit unsure po, but I believe my mom just really liked the name and chose it for me.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. So, thank you so much, Isha. And yun, all the best sa iyong mga gagawin. Ngayon, good luck sa exams starting tomorrow, your external exams. May exam ka ba bukas?
Yes po.
Anong subject?
Math po, calculus.
Calculus. So that's in the morning, di ba?
Yes po.
9:30, 2 oras yun eh. 9:30 to 11:30, parang ganon, di ba? So external exam. So good luck, Isha, and all the best sa yung mga gagawin. Of course, you as the reigning Miss Philippines New Zealand, you will be doing some charity work with the community, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. So all the best in all of those things and with your studies also. Nais ko rin magpasalamat sa ating mga tagapanood at tagapakinig, ating mga kabarangay, dahil pinayagan niyo kami ni Isha na pumasok po sa inyong mga tahanan, sa inyong mga puso sa mga panahon na ito para sa isang edisyon ng ating Barangay New Zealand na napapanood po dito sa ating PSTV Plus YouTube channel. Ako po muli ang inyong kaibigan sa Papawid, ang inyong Kuya Rene, inyong Direk Rene. Sa ngalan po ni Isha Yalong, kami po ay nagpapasalamat. Thank you, take care, and God bless. Goodbye for now.